Welcome back to the channel, guys, on episode 17 of the Clean Sweep. Today we've got another contract walk round for you guys. We are at a medical practice in Sittingbourne, Kent, and we're going to get our stethoscope on and show you guys around this medical practice and what we do and how it varies from some of our other contracts. So let's get started. So this particular contract JCD Cleaning acquired around 18 months ago. It's nice and local to the office, which is just up the road. We had a TUPE process to carry out here with 3 ladies that carry out the cleaning on a daily basis, 2 hours per morning, Monday through to Friday. We carry out cleaning to the whole facility here. We start in the office areas, which is just a standard DOC, desk, floors, bins, etc. We have the front of house area and triage area, which is the waiting room, reception, etc. We have your standard triage rooms that you would see your normal GP in, and then we have some minor surgery rooms here that require specialist cleaning. So let's carry on showing you around this facility and what these girls do on a daily basis. So once we've completed the offices, the admin areas, we come to the welfare facilities. Obviously in a property this size there are lots of toilets, kitchens that the girls look after on a daily basis. Standard cleaning practice here, making sure we're colour coding, etc. and keeping this area nice and clean for the medical staff to use on a daily basis. Next up on our hit list would be the general triage areas, waiting rooms, reception. These are important areas. As you can imagine, you have members of the public that are unwell. They've come to see their doctor for a variety of issues and they are all passed through this particular area. So our girls here, we encourage them to make sure they're cleaning all the floors, all the touch points of all the chairs, the doors, vision panels, and all high traffic areas that patients would pass through need 100% care and attention so that we're not spreading any illnesses around the local area. So we have 12 GP surgery rooms that we have to look after on a daily basis. We have to use stringent colour coding and make sure that these rooms are the top of cleanliness. The ladies come in, they make sure they wipe all surfaces, all touch points, telephones, floors, empty the bins, etc. Making sure that these rooms are absolutely spotless, ready for our GPs to see their patients on a daily basis and making sure they leave these facilities healthier than they arrived. So we're fortunate enough in this particular facility to have 2 minor surgery rooms. These are very important rooms. They are booked out on a daily basis and a cleaning will be carried out after each surgery by the local staff. But what we do the day after this particular room has been used for minor surgeries, we carry out a full clinical deep clean to all areas, make sure we clean down all the beds, any touch points, all the computer material is covered. This is used with an antibacterial and antivirucidal cleaner. Again, a total fresh set of mop and cloths for each room so that it is 100% clinically clean. So at this particular facility we also have to deal with other variants, other services outside of our daily cleaning, and that can be anything from feminine hygiene down to clinical and general waste, which we have to make sure is segregated and dealt with appropriately. For those of you that are long-time subscribers, you may remember our day in their life video where I actually came and quoted this contract on that particular video. So we're going to go and have a look round, and what I'll do when I get back out, I'll give you guys an update of how it went. I couldn't take you guys with me because obviously the surgery was live and we are in the surgery out of hours at the moment. The number one issue the client was having with this particular contract and why they changed was the lack of site management and support that the cleaning staff has. And that was the number one thing that I come up against when I'm quoting new contracts. So JCD make sure that they don't carry out that critical mistake. Our number one USP is that all of our contracts are proactively site managed, making sure our staff feel valued, they have all the cleaning equipment and chemicals they could need to carry out their daily cleaning services and deliver the results that we deliver on this contract on a daily basis. So guys, that concludes episode 17 of the Clean Sweep, and I hope you found this video informative and enjoyed another tour of one of our cleaning contracts. We've got a few more of these coming up just to show how diverse our portfolio of cleaning services are. As always, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys on episode 18.